So you are going to create a delivery app, and for that you might need map. And there are very simple ways to create those maps. One with just the screenshot. So I have three links from where you can customize your map and download, or just get a screenshot, use it, and you can make very simple prototype out of them. There is another method, and you can use plugins. There are far better plugins available inside Figma itself, and you can just run them, customize your maps, and then use them. And you can get those maps in form of an image fill or vector, and you can just use it, and they are not going to break or show some kind of pixelation. Let's just see how they work, and we'll prototype them. So let's get started. To start with, I have few of the elements pre-made. I have one screen. I have a bottom drawer, just to give you a sense that, okay, we can have more of the elements at the bottom. I have these links, which I tried, from where I can customize my maps and download or take screenshots. And this is the screenshot which I extracted, which I'll be using to create the prototype. And these are the map markers. Now these are specific to agri field. You can customize as your own requirement as per your own domain. So there is one rider, there is one shop, there is home, there is crop or field, and there is the user or the customer. The map marker is up to you to make. And I'm just going to show you the simple ways to import a map and then prototype in a way that you can create a realistic sort of experience to test and to show to your stakeholders. Let's check our first Snazzy maps. And here is your map. Let's close this, and now you can take the screenshot from here. You can customize it as per your requirement, and you can download the image. So yeah, it requires login or something. I'll just take screenshot, that would be easier. Then second is Mapbox. Now this has plenty of really cool maps. There is one default which shows a bit of 3D, then there is faded, monochrome, 2D dark, 2D light. I like these. There is a satellite view, outdoor, winters, summer. Really cool. I mean, you can just check different styles. I'll give these links in the description, so yeah, you can use those links. And now the father of all the apps, Google Maps, right? So Google Maps gives you a really cool sort of customization. So see here on the left, you can decrease the density of the roads. Everything is gone, right? I want the roads because they look cool. Landmarks, again, if it is not required, you don't need them, and you can just remove the labels because they create a lot of cognitive load. So we can just simply increase the landmarks and have labels at 0. Theme, the silver, retro, dark, night, and then sort of blueprint. So I really like the dark one. Night is also good, but not that much of color contrast. Silver, again, anytime we can use. So I mean, pretty cool customization you can use. You can just simply take a screenshot and use it. Now let's check out our plugin method. So first plugin I would be using this one, Vector Map Maker. So like I said, you can either import it as a image file or a vector layer. So if I do a vector layer, and let's see, I'll just write Agra. Great. Now remember, this map gives you output in a square because it's in the square format, but you'll have plenty of space to move around. And I'll download vector, and the map pin, I want it to be a home. Industry, not sure. Let's just see. It's an industry. And I'll just import the map. So we have slices and everything is vector. You can change and scale. They will not lose the clarity. And to simply look how they work or how they feel, let's just put scroll behavior to both directions and look at the prototype and here. So you will be able to just navigate left and right, and that should be good enough, I think. But let's make our own. We can work with just the image as well. So what we're gonna do, we are gonna put it in a frame. So I'll have a frame over here and I'll put this map inside. Okay, and I'll put this frame inside my screen. So there, and now I'll just center align it. Great. I'll put it at the back, bottom drawer here. Great. I can put these markers. So let's see, one user and one shop. That's all. We are not going to do a lot of changes and also no worries. So I'll have, let's see, I'll have my user over here, somewhere here, and I'll have store over here. Great. And let's have a rider. So we'll put rider afterwards. I'm just tracing the route for the rider, and it will just show how rider will pick it up and where he is right now, and then how he'll pick it up like this. Okay, he'll spend some time over here. So that, and then okay, I'll take this road. Great. Now let's change the color to little bright green, and width up to 4 pixels. And now I'll put rider over here. Great. Now let's look at the prototype, scrolling both directions and play. Oops. Let's select the device and now play. Here we are, and this is how we are scrolling, right? So really gives the feel of that map. I hope you understood this simple prototype, and it's very easy to make, and you can just try on your own. I'll give those map links in the description along with the plugins which I tried, so you can try those as well. And yeah, that's it for this video, and let's meet in our next video. All right, till then, bye bye, take care. Yeah, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe. It will help me grow.